Quick art tip for watercolor painters. Erase or lighten your pencil lines before you apply color. I use for this 3 types of erasers. Regular solid erasers are meant to completely remove the unwanted lines. This one is called dust free, but it does produce some shavings. So we need to make sure we get rid of those before we start painting watercolor. Make sure those erasers are soft so you don't damage your watercolor paper. The second type that I use is Kneaded eraser. It's used to lift off some of the graphite to lighten the lines, but you can also use it as a regular eraser to remove the lines completely. And then you clean it by kneading it like a piece of dough. And you can also shape it if you need to get to smaller details. And the last step, my most favorite one that you see in a lot of my videos, is the dry cleaning pad. It's a little mesh bag filled with rubber shavings that we also use to correct or lighten your sketch before you start painting, because once the watercolor goes on, it will be impossible to get rid of the lines and they will show, not everywhere, but on the lighter paint.